Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to a new episode from Linguamid. If you are in a coffee house, cafeteria or qahwa in Egypt and you want to communicate, you want to ask about the coffee or ask about the tea, how would you say this? We will know how to order coffee, how to order tea, and also the varieties that are there in Egypt. So stay with me. So, in this episode, we will talk about ordering coffee or tea. إزاي تطلب قهوة أو شاي. إزاي تطلب قهوة أو شاي. إزاي, it means how in Egyptian. How, like كيف in modern standard Arabic. We say إزاي. تطلب, to order, from the verb يطلب, to order. So أنت تطلب, you order. So the conjugation with you. أنت تطلب. قهوة, which is the coffee, or أو, so أو here is or, أو. شاي, which is tea. شاي. So إزاي تطلب قهوة أو شاي. This is for male. If you I want to talk to a male. If I want to talk to a female, I will say إزاي تطلبي. So it will be a slight variation. إزاي تطلبي قهوة أو شاي. So just add this E after the verb. إزاي تطلبي قهوة أو شاي. Okay, how to order coffee or tea. قهوة مظبوطة. مظبوطة is medium sugar. Okay, so it's not a high amount or low amount, medium amount of sugar. And قهوة is coffee, from قهوة in modern standard Arabic. So we say in Egypt قهوة مظبوطة or مظبوط. Okay, قهوة مظبوطة, medium amount of sugar in the coffee. Okay, so قهوة مظبوطة لو سمحت, medium sugar amount, please. لو سمحت is please. We can also say من فضلك. We can also say أنا عايز كوباية شاي. عايز كوباية شاي سادة. So شاي here, which is tea, we say عايز كوباية, a glass. Okay, glass of tea. كوباية شاي. What about سادة? سادة in Egyptian, it means without any sugar. So just the tea. So عايز كوباية شاي سادة من فضلك, or عايز كوباية شاي سادة لو سمحت. I want a glass of tea without any sugar. If I want to leave, I will just ask about the bill. Okay, so I say الحساب من فضلك. الحساب من فضلك. Sometimes also we say أنا عايز أحاسب. أنا عايز أحاسب. I want to pay. Okay, or to check, the check. So الحساب, the check please. Okay, or the bill please. الحساب من فضلك. Now in this quick episode, you know how to order coffee and tea, how we say it. إزاي تطلب قهوة أو شاي. You know the القهوة المظبوط, which is the medium amount of sugar. And you know also الشاي السادة, which is the tea without any sugar. So شاي سادة, tea without sugar. قهوة مظبوط, it's coffee with medium amount of sugar. And also we learned how to say the check please or the bill please, which is الحساب من فضلك. I hope you like this episode. Give me a like and subscribe to Linguamid. Don't forget also to enroll in my Egyptian Arabic 101 free course. It is a fundamental course that's very important, completely free, and will help you to get the essence of spoken Egyptian, and also download the free ebook inside the course. You'll find the link in the first comment and also in the description box. Thanks a lot, and see you in a future episode.